Good day, Toyota Bacoor! We are back, okay? Thank you for being there for us all these months, days. Okay, before we start with the new topic, let me first introduce myself. My name is Marvin. I'm the training officer ng Toyota Bacoor. Siyempre, lagi na andyan si Direk. Okay, Direk, okay naman dyan. Okay, si Sir Kevin, ang ating marketing officer, researcher, film director, editor, lahat-lahat. Okay? So, very timely ang pag-uusapan natin yan. We will be talking about vehicle insurance. Okay, so as the COVID IATF or the Interagency Task Force loosens the restrictions on movement on individuals, more and more business open, okay, to keep the economy afloat. So what does it mean? Well, a lot of expectations, but one thing is you should be considering is yung vehicle movement. Okay, when there's vehicle movement, syempre, there's traffic. When there's traffic, lalo na yung mga hindi mo inaasahan, there could probably be an accident na ayaw natin mangyari. Okay, these are untoward things or happening. And this type of situation is, of course, you don't want yourself into. Okay, bakit? Okay, bakit? Kasi naandyan yung abala, naandyan yung gastos, time away from the office, and then time away from the family. Pero syempre, dito kami to help you out. So just to give you a little background, kung naririnig yung Toyota Insure program, okay, Toyota Insure program is a partnership, of course, ng Toyota and insurance companies that started sometime 2015. Okay, tapos ngayon medyo palago ng palago. Well, the objective lang naman dito is to have a smooth process to keep you guys with Toyota Bacoor, a better customer service for everyone. So, bago medyo mapasarap ang usapan natin or mapaganda or mapalalim ang usapan natin, a little disclaimer na di dapat natin mawala. Okay, so again, konting disclaimer, we don't represent the insurance companies that we are partnered with. Okay, these are just based on what we know on the process that we follow here sa Toyota Bacoor. Okay, simulan na natin. Okay, so let's start with the coverage or yung mga coverage or benefits na pwede yung makuha or ma-claim with your comprehensive insurance. Okay, so number one is your 3-year CTPL, okay, yung compulsory third-party liability, which of course is shoulder ng insurance nyo to up to 100,000 pesos. You have your also coverage for own damage. Okay, yung mga instances wherein di mo inaasahan, may naatrasan ka palang mga paso, nagasgas mo yung kotse mo kung saan-saan, okay? For own damage, covers roughly about fair market value kung anong year model ng kotse. Third is, if nawala yung kotse or kung nanakaw yung kotse, again, magdidepende po siya ang coverage yan sa market value ng sasakyan mo. Okay, ano pa? You also have your EBI or tinatawag natin excess bodily injury na coverage. Para saan to? So for example, yung EBI kasi, this is what happens. So mayroon kang 100,000 for the CTPL, and yung gastos na gagasusin mo dun sa sa party or sa third party na aksidente mo exceeds 100,000, dito papasok yung EBI. Okay, EBI covers to a maximum of 200,000 pesos. Okay? Next is yung property damage. Okay? So in the event na na-aksidente ka or naka-aksidente ka at nakatama ka ng government property or private property, yung gastusin noon sa pagpapagawa doon may balik siya sa dati is i-cover din ng insurance policy mo, which could range from at least 200,000 to 500,000 pesos depende po sa scheme ng insurance policy na kukuhanin mo. Okay? Ano pa? Meron pa tayo dyan, may tinatawag na passenger auto, personal accident or yung auto PA per passenger. Ang coverage naman yan in any scheme, somewhere 25,000 per passenger. Okay, that's 25,000 per passenger. For example, isa kang Vios, ang kotse mo is Vios, it's a 5-seater. So, ang coverage niya is good for 5 individuals. Kung isa kang commuter ng seating capacity mo is 15, that's good for 15 individual. Okay? Plus, meron ka pang around 2,500 pesos as medical reimbursement para dun sa gagasusin mo sa ospital or any medical things that you'd be paying to. Okay? What else? Actually, you also have your personal accident insurance 24/7. So, yung PA natin. So, that's more or less 100,000 pesos with 10,000 pesos medical reimbursement. And eto pa, the acts of nature. Okay, yung acts of nature natin, pagka yung kotse mo na total loss because of AON, binaha, natabunan, or kung ano man, you will be priced or the unit will be priced at fair market value. Okay? Meron din tayong tinatawag na RSCC or the Riot, Strikes and Civil Commotion. Okay? Depende sa scheme, it may be applicable to up to fair market value ng kotse. There's this also one unique feature or coverage ang tinatawag natin loss of use. Ano ibig sabihin ng loss of use? The loss of use is simply like this. Okay? So, for example, ginagawa ang kotse mo sa isang dealership, like for example at Toyota Bacoor, na will stay for maybe 2, 3 days, 5 days, 2 weeks, depende sa damage. The insurance coverage na kukuhanin mo depende sa scheme will be paying you out 500 pesos on a daily basis. Okay? To maximum of 15 days. So, babayaran ka ng insurance company mo on a daily basis habang di mo ginagamit yung kotse. Again, I think this is available only for scheme number 3. And lastly, so 11 ata to. So lastly, you also have this emergency road assistance. Okay? So emergency road assistance, regardless kung anong scheme, kasama siya doon. Okay? Ano bang mga emergency road assistance natin? Either mechanical issue, pwede kang tumawag. There's a 24/7 ng insurance Okay, ano ba yung mga benefits on having a TIP or the Toyota Insure program? Number 1 is as early as 2 days upon completion ng requirements mo, pwede mo makuha ang LOA or Letter of Authority. Okay, ano pa? Dito sa Toyota Bacoor, if the damage or initial estimate damage ng kotse nyo na ipapagawa is 20,000 pesos, kahit iwan mo yung kotse, gagawin na kaagad yan. Okay? Number 3, eto pinakamaganda. Number 3, you'll only be paying a participation fee of 2,000 pesos kung ang kotse mo is considered as passenger car and 3,000 pesos kung ang kotse mo is considered as commercial vehicle. Sa ibang insurance company, you will be paying 0.5% or 1% of this sum assured. So, paano siya? So, for example, ang worth ng kotse mo is 1 million. It's a PC, 1 million. You'll just pay 2,000. For other companies, okay, for other insurance companies, 1 million, you'll be paying 0.5, that's around 5,000, or 1%, that's around 10,000. See the difference? 2,000 versus 5, 2,000 versus 10. Okay? So, that's one. Number 4. It's being repaired in casa. So, ano ibig sabihin nun pag ginagawa sa casa? Okay? 4 and 5 na to. You'll be getting genuine parts, of course, and our technicians are highly trained and equipped with the specific tools to get your cars back into its original shape. So, ano po yung additional na meron si TIP against non-TIP or Toyota Insure program? You get to have a personal accident insurance for free. Okay? You also have the passenger auto PA for free. Okay? Depende sa seating capacity ng kotse. You also have the loss of use for free on scheme number 3 ng insurance natin. Pero hindi siya available sa ibang insurance companies. Kung meron man, it's very rare, okay? Also, yung roadside assistance natin, okay? Roadside assistance, under TIP, it can cover up to 5,000 pesos. Okay? Yung non-TIP, more or less 3,000 lang. So, malaki yung 5,000 pesos. Okay? So, let us guide you on how to claim for insurance. Okay? So, pero bago kayo mag-claim, siyempre, ito muna yung kailangan yung requirements. Number 1, dapat letter of filing a claim. Okay? Number 2, ORCR ng kotse mo. Okay? Copy ng insurance policy and then yung resibo niya, dapat nandun din siya. You also need to have that police report or affidavit kung hindi siya available ang police report. Ano pa? Driver's license. Kung sino nagmamaneho ng kotse, nandun din dapat siya. Okay? And if available, kung kaya nyong kuhanan ng pictures yung kotse in different areas or angle, mag-provide din kayo. Pero kukuhanan din naman siya pagdating sa dealership. Ano pa? Yung repair estimate naman, gagawin siya dito sa dealer. Okay, so there's like around 7 of them. Pero I'm pretty sure just need to follow this. Naandyan. Ito yung mga list of requirements na kailangan yung gawin. Okay? So, here we go. Here's the process. Okay, here are simple steps on how to claim your insurance. Number one, of course, kung kaya nyong dalhin yung kotse sa dealer, dalhin siya. If it's drivable, ha? Okay, dadalhin nyo yung kotse. If not, have it towed. Number two, syempre punta tayo sa SA or service advisor natin to get the estimate. Number three, file na kayo ng claim. Okay? And then, of course, you have to submit, before kayo magpunta sa dealer, you have to submit all the requirements that I mentioned earlier. Okay? Tapos, syempre, yung nasubmit na requirements natin, ipaprocess siya ng insurance company, and then i-evaluate siya. Okay? That's number 5. And then number 6, so as early as in 2 days, maaring makuha mo niya yung letter of authority or law 1 na tinatawag natin. And then from there, the repair will start. Okay, syempre, hindi lang po claims ang ina-accept natin as part of our business. We also do insurance renewal. Okay, ang madali lang siya. Okay, punta lang dito, go through the usual COVID protocols natin, scans, QR code, tapos yung queuing, and then po tayo sa isa sa mga ISE namin, okay, yung insurance sales executive, and they will be very, very happy to assist you and give you the best offers we have for your premium. Okay, so let me just introduce to you our insurance partners ni Toyota Bacoor. So one is People's Gen, okay, People's General Insurance Corporation. We also have AXA. We also have MAA. Okay, we have Stronghold. We have Stellar Insurance, we have Prudential, and we have Malayan Insurance. These are all our current partners, and we are hoping that there will be more in the coming months. All right, that's it. Okay, medyo mahaba-habang usapan yan, pero there's plenty to talk about in terms of insurance. Okay, there's too much to talk about. Okay? There's just too much to talk about. So the basics are there, claims and then the renewal process. So if you need to know more, there's a number and a link on the description box below. Click nyo lang siya and someone will be calling you. Someone will be sending quotation if you like. Okay, so that's probably it for this episode. We will be seeing you again. And by the way, kung mayroon kayong gustong topic na gusto nating i-discuss in relation to Toyota, okay, in relation to our process, specifically for Toyota Bacoor, comment na lang din kayo sa baba. Okay? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our official YouTube channel ng Toyota Bacoor Cavite. Okay? Again, that's it. Thank you so much again for helping us, for doing this video with us. Okay? See you. Kita-kits ulit mga chok.